Welcome to a league night ball review here. We got the Diamond Diva. Very late showing up to game one, so finally got it set up, but I shot like 220 game one and back 3 games to see if I can pop like a 750 here. While I have you guys here, don't forget there is a 60K subscriber giveaway. Rule number 1 of that 60K subscriber giveaway is you have to be a subscriber of the channel. So hit that subscribe button down below and help us get to 60K. And when we get there, we'll be giving away a brand new DV8 bowling ball as well as a signed piece of North Rock Lane. And then rule number 2 is you can catch it at the back half of the video to find out how you can. You know what's irritating? That I think I'm a professional bowler. That's what's irritating. They weren't easy tonight. Ah! Is that okay with you? Oh my God, that's so bad. So bad.
I know.
So good. Thanks. You know what's irritating? That I think I'm a professional bowler. That's what's irritating. Front 7, because Jared gave me 1 tip.
Better ball rep than anybody on this planet.
He said I was rolling it way too much, so 218 with a couple 7 pins and 6 pins. Yeah. Rotating it, front 7. Oh, come on. Fuck you. That's so bad. That's such a bad shot. It's a weird leave on that spare. Game 1, you guys saw 218. Well, you guys didn't see 218. And then game 2, 260 with that terrible shot in the 10th frame. So we're cruising around 480 for 2, hoping to get to 1,000 for 4. It's going to be hard to get, but hoping to get to 1,000 for 4 and 750 the back 3. That's the goal, as I told you guys. So here we go, game 3. Diva Divine's looking really good. I got to rotate it a little bit because they're hooking a lot tonight. And when I rolled it, it looked like garbage. So it's a house shot. Get on the side of it. You mean like that? little better. Not as good though. Perfect. Oh my God. I'm gonna need a really big game. 220. And there were 4 lefties on the pair, and what is transition? It's not for me. I think I'm gonna change balls and just hook the whole lane. So this went from a Diva ball review to a track stealth ball review real quick. So I'm just gonna play 4th arrow and see what happens. 5th arrow? 5th arrow's, that's nosebleed section for me. I can't do it. Rotate it, Packy, rotate it. With this brand new stealth, I'm able to move into the oily part of the lane and get rid of some of that over-under because of how smooth it is. Whereas that Diva, I moved in, it didn't quite hook enough. I moved left, it hooked way too much, and it gave me a little over-under as there were 4 lefties on the pair. So I could have kept moving in, but the over-under, I decided to go with a little smoother ball with the stealth, and hopefully it pays off. It's paying off so far, but hopefully it continues to pay off. Yeah. Hey. Rotating again. Left lane's tight, right lane hooks. Not slow enough, but still struck. Oh, it's a lot. Why do I roll it so much? All right, well the right lane's a little different than the left lane, and I've done a poor job keeping my hand around the side of the ball. Every 3rd shot, I just roll the at it. So I gotta stop doing that, get around it a little bit, and finish the 10th frame strong for a 230. They weren't easy tonight. They were hooking a little extra. I was throwing it a little extra bad. Gotta get back on it. Rule number 2 of that 60K subscriber giveaway. Once again, rule number 1 is that you have to be a subscriber of the channel. And rule number 2 is that you have to click that link down below and enter your email. The link is in the description under the 60K subscriber giveaway tab. Well guys, thanks for coming to my League Night ball review with my Diva, maybe it's Diva Diamond? Diamond Diva. Turned into a stealth. That last game looked like okay, 235. I needed to deal with that over-under a little bit, and that ball really smoothed it out. I just didn't quite have the right moves from the left lane being like 3 or 4 tighter than the right lane. So I didn't adjust in time. But overall, both these balls, really good balls, and Diva definitely is a big time league ball for me. It gives me that nice skid flip reaction that I love in my house shot leagues. And thank you guys for sticking along to the end. Until the next one, peace.